Hello people. It's close to 1:30 in the afternoon as I'm recording this, and I have to say this, yeah, that I have begun doing this intermittent fasting, and it really works. Like, as in, they say when you give your body that rest, in terms of otherwise all of us, like, we have this habit of snacking and eating something and all, but if you give your body rest, it rejuvenates on its own. So, and also yesterday I had some 3 4 neem pattas and nimbu juice and all, and that instantly has an effect on the skin. I mean, this is so beautiful. Yeah, I mean, uh, sometimes we chase after these very expensive skincare products when in fact kitchen remedies that even Aishwarya Rai speaks about is what makes the skin as beautiful as it can be. So yeah, neem leaves. Chewing neem leaves every day, at least 2 3 neem leaves, really kind of gives your skin a glow. So really, it's since I'm intermittent fasting since last evening, so I will now get down to eating something. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.